is Shankar from News and Infotech. So, how are you all? Now we are discussing about the News and Infotech. So, actually, like News and Infotech, we have started in 2010. We have started with mainframes technology. We are providing the training as well as placements also. From 2010 onwards, we are giving the placements for so many peoples. Each and every year, we are providing some placements for thousands of peoples. Now also we do have so many openings for Java, .NET testing, mainframes, and especially in News and Infotech, we are providing the mainframes technology. All people are thinking about mainframes, it's a very old technology. So it's gone like that. But mainframes is never end, guys. Each and every year we are getting so many projects also, so many openings also. And if you are choosing the mainframes technology, you will be getting the job in MNC companies only, not small companies. You can check with any MNC company also. Mainframes opportunities are there. In Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, very few institutes only there for providing the training and placements for mainframes. For Java, .NET testing, or SAP, like that, some another technologies, so many institutes are there. For mainframes, very few institutes. And moreover, only few members only choosing the mainframes technology. That's the reason. If you're looking for job, mainframes is very good opportunities. And especially for BTech in CSC, IT, EC. So IT background peoples only please choosing mainframes. For non-IT background we are getting the very less opportunities. So especially for this 2023 onwards 2018-17 also eligible for this technology. So of course after BTech so many people are confused which technologies we want to choose, and moreover so it's very few members only choosing. Right now students are very less, opportunities are very more, so that it is one of the best technologies for you. Second one, Java. So who will be ready to interest for coding side, so that please choose Java. It's a open source. Small companies, big companies, each and every company is having the so many opportunities for Java technology. Okay, so if anyone interested for coding, please choose Java technology. And the next one, .NET. So nowadays in market, .NET also very few members only there, but opportunities are very more. Here in Java, most of the people are choosing here, somewhat competition is there as well as openings also there. But here, and the candidates are very less. If anyone interested in coding also, so please choose .NET. That is also very good opportunities. We are getting the more opportunities in .NET. And one more technology is there. It's a testing. So we will be non-IT background, and it's a somewhat coding less. For manual only coding less. So only manual nowadays we are getting the very less opportunities. Okay. So if you want testing also, it's a very good thing. So many opportunities are there in mainframes, Java, testing. Each and every projects we require testers. Okay. So if you testing also, it's a somewhat coding less. If you're interested in software industry, in non-IT background also, please choose testing technology. And moreover, Python. So it's a trending technologies, Python, data science, like that. For freshers level, so the technologies are very good. In a market, so many opportunities are there for experienced peoples only, not freshers. If you really fresher, it's very difficult to getting the job. But technology is very good thing for getting the opportunity side, somewhat less when you are compared to Java, .NET testing, mainframes, like that. Okay, so that if you don't confuse which technology we want to choose, so you are becoming software engineer, so you can learn any technology. You are a graduate, then you are eligible for software industry. So you are mechanical or civil or MBA or BCom or BBA or anything, you are eligible for software industry. Okay, but which technologies you want to choose in the sense based upon your interest, based upon your year of passed out. Okay, so in our friends also saying, so bro, please go with this technology. Our relatives also saying, please go this technologies. Don't confuse. You can choose any one technology, you will getting the job. Of course, you do have some idea, please choose that one. Your friends are saying something, so please go there also, you will getting the job. Why? Because in a market some thousands of technologies are there. You can learn any technology perfectly. Definitely you will getting the job. So sometimes one technology, sometimes another technologies, it's a time waste. We are unable to get the job. Whatever you want, you can learn with 100% technical skills. That time only you will getting the job. And moreover, most of the peoples, they are neglecting the communication skills. So we don't want here. So many people are visited. When you are conducting the communication classes, also they are not comfortable to attending the communication classes. Why? And moreover, you are looking for software job only. So communication skills is very important task. Without communication skills, we are unable to get the software job. Okay. So please give the first priority for communication skills. Okay. So don't confuse which technology you want. So you can choose any one technology, then definitely you will getting the job. All the best. If you want any training and placements, once please visit the News and Infotech. So before also I said now from 2010 onwards, from 2010 to 2023 we are giving the training and placements for mainframes technology. Here we are placed so many peoples. Of course we say like 100% job guarantee program, but we are unable to complete sometimes. Why? Because students are not ready to listen our words. Some people are listen, some people are coming regularly, some people are not come regularly. They are unable to listen our words. They do have some own vision. So that will be good thing. No issue in that. Okay. If they will follow my instructions until getting the job, we are providing the training. We are ready to supporting to candidates. Some people are not ready. That's the reason only sometimes we are unable to providing the placements for all candidates. Clear? So and moreover, I can and again saying it's a very easy technology. So I can say 5 reasons why you want to choose the mainframes. One is less coding, less subject, more opportunities, less competition. You will getting the job in MNC company only. That's the reason only first I will give the priority for mainframes only. And in a market again and again I am saying like so many people are not aware of the mainframes. That's the reason only they will say it's old technology. The time is over. It will be merged to some another technologies. And moreover, if you join into one company, you can change to one technology to another technology. It's a very easy task. So many times if you do have 4 to 5 years of experience in software industry, definitely you can change it to 2 to 3 technologies. Sometimes company only demanding, sometimes project demanding, sometimes our own interested also. It will be true or not. Okay. So all the best.